AJ. Where are we going? Okay. Oh my gosh, may lula ako. Ang taas. Pwede ko lang bumaba eh.
Buhatin ko na lang sa buhatin ko sa Rafael.
Are we going down already?
Huh? Oh, okay. There, near the stairs. Picture muna tayo.
Diet Coke, Coke Zero.
Where are we? Tell your, this is your message to your classmates and Miss Bolton. Where are we?
London.
What are you doing here?
We're just sitting in the view.
You love the view?
Yeah. Look.
You see the whole London here? You can see the whole London?
Look.
What do you see?
You can see for millions of miles. And look, we nearly touched the clouds. Look, there's an airplane on the cloud. It's touching the clouds.